basic information about the clock and what is the 12 hours clock and 24-hour clocks and addition of the measuring time and subtraction of measuring time or calculate the time. Now our daily life we listen various type of the words. Which type of these words? Like liter, gram, meter, rupees, paise, this type. What is these? Liter means, gram means, or meter, gram, liter. This is the unit of measurement. So now today we are going to learn the next lesson. Name of the lesson is problems on मेजरमेंट. आज आपण मापनावरील उदाहरणे हा 11 नंबरचा पाठ अभ्यासणार आहोत. You know that there is the various types of the unit in our mathematics, or we use that unit our daily life. There is the when we going to the market, then we bought potatoes, tomatoes, brinjals, lady's fingers, chilies, onion, cabbage, these type of the vegetables. When we bought, then we listen the words gram, half kilogram, quarter kilogram, 2 kilogram. Gram is the standard unit of mass. There is the quantity is mass, and that quantity's standard unit is gram. Second quantity is distance, and measure the distance in meter. Meter is the standard unit. Next is the capacity. Capacity is the quantity, and that quantity measure the standard unit is liter. Gram, meter and liter. When we bought the various types of the objects or substances, then that substance, that materials measure in the gram. When measure the distance between the two village, two town, two district, when we measure the distance, then using the standard unit is meter. And like when we measure the liquid like substances, milk, kerosene, petrol, then using the standard unit is liter. And when we transaction use the amount, then we listen the word is rupees, paise. How many rupees? How many paise? When we calculate the days, then we use the days, hours, this type. So now which type we use the basic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Using this basic operation, and which type we measure this type of the units. What type? Use that operation, the help of operation. What type we measure this type of the units. That type of the informations we learn in this lesson. There is the 7 units, subunit of gram, meter and liter. So see that basic information here. Suppose here is we write meter. Its left side place is decameter. Decameter. Its left hectometer. And its left kilometer. Here is the out of 4 which unit is large. Kilometer is highest. Its less hectometer. Its less decameter. Its less meter. Its less decimeter, decimeter, meters right side, its right side, centimeter, centimeter, and its right is millimeter. This type of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 unit we use our like our convents. Same this type, gram, decigram, decigram, centigram, milligram, same as decagram, its hectogram and kilogram. Same, there is the liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter, its right decaliter, hectoliter and kiloliter. Always remember this table. There is the unit, this value of that is the 1, then 10, 100 and 1000. Its right sides 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100, 1 upon 1000. This is the place value of it. There is the 5 kilogram. 5 kilogram. How many gram? 5 kilogram means how many grams? How many places are there? 1, 2 and 3. And each place has measure increase the 10th place, 10 times. So 5 into 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000. So 5 into 1000 is equal to 5000 gram. 2 kilogram means 2000 gram. When we convert the largest unit into smallest, then doing the multiplication, and other hand 5000 grams means how many kilogram? Then 5000 upon 1000 is equal to 5 kilogram. Divide here. जेव्हा मोठे एककाचे लहान एकक करायचे असते तेव्हा गुणाकार करतात आणि मोठे एककाचे छोटे एककाचे मोठे एकक करताना भागाकार करतात. तर अशा पद्धतीने लक्षात ठेवा. यानंतर 2 मीटर, 2 मीटर means how many centimeter? 2 meter, 10 into 10, 100. 100. 2 into 100 is equal to 200 centimeter. 200 centimeter means how many meter? 1 place, 2 place. 200 upon 100 is equal to 2 meter. मोठे एककाचे लहान एकक करताना गुणाकार करा आणि लहान एककाचे मोठे एककात रूपांतर करताना भागाकार करा. इथे लक्षात ठेवा 5 किलोलीटर means 5000 liter. 2 kilogram, 2 1000 kilogram. 4 kilometer, 4000 meter. Such as 2 liter, 2000 milliliter. 3 gram, 3000 gram. 2 meter, 2000 milliliter. म्हणजे 10च्या पटीने या किमती राईट साईडला कमी होत जातात आणि इकडे वाढतात. लक्षात ठेवा. परंतु 2 ग्रॅम म्हणजे 10 into 10 100 सेंटीग्रॅम आणि डेसिग्रॅमला 10 डेसिग्रॅम. 1 ग्रॅम इज 10 डेसिग्रॅम. 1 लिटर 10 डेकालिटर. 1 लिटर 100 सेंटीलीटर. 1 लिटर 1000 milliliter. Such way. Now let us learn the next point related addition of that measurement. आता आपल्याला यांची बेरीज करणे सोपी जाईल. पहा. On this table here we understand 1000. 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. Addition here. Add 2 kilometer 475 meter plus 3 kilometer 896 meter. Addition here. Do the addition. 2 kilometer 475 meter plus 3 kilometer 896 meter. There is first make a table that way. Write the smallest unit is meter. Meter, short form m. Here is the kilometer. Write the number. 2 kilometer 475 meter plus 3 kilometer 896 meter. Addition there. Which type we do the addition of number? Using this method and do the operation of addition. 6 plus 5 11. Carried over 1. 1 plus 9 10. 10 plus 7 70. Carried over 1. 8 plus 9 8 plus 1 9 plus 4 13. We get the addition 1371 meter. 475 meter plus 896 meter is equal to 1371 meter. 3 plus 2 5. We get the answer 5 kilometer 1371 meter. 1371 meter means how many kilometer? How many kilometer? Divide it. 1371 upon 1000 is equal to 1.371 kilometer. Therefore 1000 means 1 kilogram. That numbers written in kilometer place. Remaining meter in there is the 371 meter. 5 plus 1 6 kilometer. अशा पद्धतीने उदाहरण सोडवायचं आहे. 1371 मीटर म्हणजे 1 किलोमीटर 371 मीटर हे 1000 आहे 1000 आहे मीटर म्हणून ही किलोमीटर मध्ये इकडे आलेले आहे आणि राहिले 371 मीटर. See the next example here. 5 kilogram 875 gram plus 1 kilogram 752 gram. Make a table here first. How many units are there? There given 2 units. One is the gram and kilogram. Kilogram is the largest and gram is the smallest. So 5 kilogram 875 gram plus 1 kilogram 752 gram. Addition there, 2 plus 5 7, 5 plus 7 12, carry over 1 8 plus 8 16, 5 plus 1 6 kilogram 1627 gram. Therefore 1627 gram means 1 kilogram 627 gram. That 1000 written here in kilogram column. 6 plus 1 7 kilogram. Remaining here the gram is 627 gram. 1000 पेक्षा जर जास्त छोटे एकक असेल तर ते कन्वर्ट करताना किंवा ते लिहिताना मोठे एककामध्ये लिहिणं आवश्यक आहे. थर्ड एक्झाम्पल 10 liter 708 milliliter plus 12 liter 915 milliliter. Liter, milliliter in short, 10 liter 708 milliliter plus 12 liter 915 milliliter. Addition there, 5 plus 8 13, carry over 1 plus 1 2 plus 0 2, 9 plus 7 16, 2 plus 0 2, 1 plus 1 2, 22 liter 1623 milliliter. 1623 milliliter means 1 liter 623 milliliter. 623 milliliters. 1 plus 2 3, 2 as it is 23 liter 623 milliliter. Fourth example, at 9 meter 25 centimeter plus 21 meter 89 centimeter. 9 meter and centimeter. 9 meter 25 centimeter plus 21 meter 89 centimeter. You know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Always remember 100 centimeter means 1 meter. So 9 plus 5 14, carried over 1, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 2 11, 9 plus 1 10, carried over 1 plus 2 3, 30 meter. Here is the 114 centimeter. 114 centimeter means how many meter, how many centimeter? So 100 means 1 meter and 14 centimeter. So 1 meters, right in the meters column. Remaining centimeter here is the 14. 1 plus 0 1, 3 as it is 31 meter 14 centimeter. See the next example, number 5th. ₹20 85 paise plus ₹9 74.75 पैसे. Here is the given two units. Quantity is rupees and paise. Rupees, paise. Related the information, remember here. 100 paise. 100 paise means 1 rupee. This point remember, and here written as 20 rupees 85 paise plus 9 rupees 75 paise. So 5 plus 5 10, carried over 1, 8 plus 7 plus 1 8 plus 8 16, 9 plus 0 9, 2 as it is, 29 rupees 160 paise. 100 paise means 1 rupee. So 160 paise means 160 upon 100 is equal to 1.60 rupees. Means 1 rupee 60 paise. 1 rupees written here. So remaining paise here 60 and 9 plus 1 10, carried over 1, 2 plus 1 3. 30 rupees 60 paise. Such type solve the examples related the units, apply the units gram, meter and liter, and there is the quantity is capacity, mass and distance. See the next point here, subtraction. आता आपण सबट्रॅक्शन पाहूया. द क्वांटिटी, मास म्हणजे वस्तुमान, ग्रॅम त्याचं ते असणार एकक आहे. त्यानंतर डिस्टन्स म्हणजे अंतर, त्याचे एकक आहे मीटर, आणि कॅपॅसिटी म्हणजे धारकता, त्याचे एकक आहे लीटर. सी द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज सबट्रॅक्शन. Subtract 25 kilometer 350 meter minus 11 kilometer 895 meter. First write here kilometer and meter. 25 kilometer and 350 meter minus 11 kilometer 895 meter. See here. First think on that meter. 895 subtract from 350, but here is the 895 is greater number, bigger number than 350 number. So 895 meter not subtract from 350 meter. Then take 1 kilometer from 25 kilometer. Then how many kilometers remains here? 24 kilometers. And 1 kilometer means how many meter? 1000 meter. 1000 meter. 1000 meter plus 350 meter. 1000 हे 1000 कुठले आहे? या 25 किलोमीटर मधून 1 किलोमीटर घेतला आणि तो मीटर मध्ये जेव्हा आपण लिहिणार आहोत तेव्हा त्या 1 किलोमीटरचे काय होणार, इकडे मीटर होणार आणि त्या आपल्याला दोघांची बेरीज मिळणार 1350. आता 1350 is bigger than 895 meter. So now subtract here. 0 minus 5. 5 is not subtract from 0, so we'll take 1 borrowed from that 5. Here remaining numbers is 4 and here is make a number 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 is the smallest number than 9. Take 1 borrowed from these 3. Here numbers remains 2. Make number 14. 14 minus 9, 5. And 2. Take 1. 2 is smallest than 8. Take 1 borrowed, here numbers make 12. 12 minus 8, 4. We get the meters 455 meters. 4 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. We get the answer is 25 kilometer 350 meter minus 11 kilometer 895 meter means 13 kilometer 455 meter. See the next example. Subtract 10 liter 460 milliliter minus 6 liter 945 milliliter. Solve this example same this way. Here written as liter, milliliter, in short 10 liter 460 milli minus 6 liter 940 milliliter, not subtract from 460 milliliter because that number is the bigger and this is the smallest number. So take 1 liter, remaining liter here is the 9 and written here is the 1 liter means 1000 milli plus 1000 milli plus 460 milli is equal to 1460 milli. That number is the bigger number than 945. So subtract here 0. Take 1 borrowed here. Remaining number is the 5. 10 number 10 minus 5. 5. 5 minus 4. 1. 14 minus 9. 5. We get the milliliter 550 milli. 9 minus 6. 3 liter 515 milliliter. See the third example here. meter 30 centimeter minus 9 meter 70 centimeter. You know that 100 centimeter means 1 meter. Meter, centimeter, 40 meter, 30 centimeter, 9 meter, 70 centimeter. Here 70 centimeter not subtract from 30 centimeter. Then take 1 meter from this 14 remaining numbers here 13 meter. Here is the 100. 1 meter means 100 plus 100 meter plus 30 meter is equal to 130 meter. Now 130 is the biggest number than 70. 0 minus 0, 0. 30 minus 7, 6. And 30 minus 9, 4. We get the answer 4 meter 60 centimeter. Fourth number example. Now see here. ₹12 50 paise minus रुपीज 80 पैसे. रुपीज पैसे 12 rupees 50 पैसे minus 5 rupees 80 पैसे. 80 पैसे not subtract from 50 पैसे. Take 1 rupee from this 12. Here remaining numbers 11 rupees 100. 1 rupee means 100 paise plus that 50 paise is equal to 150 paise. 80 is the smallest number than 150, so 0 minus 0, 0, 50 minus 8, 7, 11 minus 5, 6. 6 rupees and 70 paise. This way solve the examples. So related the quantities, mass, distance and capacity using this type of the method and solve the practice set 46. I hope all of you students understand the examples related mass, distance and capacity. Practice this type of the examples and all of you students solve our mathematics notebook. Solve the practice set 46. In next video we see the next remaining part of this lesson, word problems on measurement. आपण पुढील व्हिडिओमध्ये या संबंधाचे असणारे शाब्दिक उदाहरणे पाहणार आहोत. सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांनी उदाहरण संग्रह 46 सोडवा. Now today's here we stop. Thank you.